We are out here, boys, back at the cottage. We are back at the lake of full of pike. We've already had a day on it yet, and it's been brilliant. We caught, about 16 pike in like one sitting. So we're going to go out there now. I'm actually going to fly fish for pike, because I've never done it before. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is my setup. It's an absolute mess at the moment. But stick with me. I'll show you this is my setup. It's an absolute mess. As you can see, we've got the switch. We've got the camera. We've got everything. We've even got multivitamins. We love it. But let's go. Let's do this. Now, this lake, as I said before, it doesn't get fished much. And it's just teeming with pike. Got some more intel on it, actually. So, years ago, they had a really bad spill into it, a toxic spill into it. It had loads of carp, loads of pike in it, loads of perch, really good numbers, really good weights and everything like that. Sadly, it decimated the fish population, but obviously the pike survived somehow. Don't know how, don't know when. But we're talking probably about 20 years ago, maybe, I don't know. But there's pike left, there's perch left, I know that. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can get on some good pike. I'd like to get a big pike today. I caught myself like a 10-pounder the other day, which is nice. First pike of the season for me, which I'm really struggling this year. I mean, we're in Feb now. I've been fishing since, say, November, and just had nothing. We're in Feb now. It's the end of the year, end of the pike season, really. But it's just coming into spawn in April, January, February, March, April is spawning season, so stops all pike fishing. But we're in February now, early February. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty sure we'll get a decent amount of fish on today. Hopefully we get some really good footage for you. I'd like to catch a pike on fly, because I've never done it yet. I've had a take, but I've never had anything on fly yet. Even if it's a small one, I just want to have one on fly, because growing up fly fishing, that's my main way of fishing. I love fly fishing, mainly for trout and things like that up at Lady Bower. But we're going to try and get them on the fly today. If not, we'll resort to the bait caster. I'm pretty much guaranteed to get fish today, so wish me luck.
That's gonna come out.
No, I know it has. That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah, I'll pay for that. What else have I got? She actually goes now again.
No.
That's a bastard.
It is, because you have to get a new canister and the whole everything.
Why did you put him back in the first place?
I know, put it back in there. Great.
You silly twat.
Where'd you get this from anyway?
Bloke who I bought all that fishing gear off, he gave me that as well.
That's because you didn't put day up for it then.
I know.
Does that mean all zips fucked then on it?
No, he just threw it back together again.
That's fucking shit.
So you can just get this
Yeah,
deflated and then a new canister.
Fold it and regas it.
Oh, that's not bad then.
That's quite funny though.
Hold that, Matt, actually.
That's quite funny.
I can't open boot at the moment.
Hey, that's good, that, isn't it? That's alright, that, you.
Well, if you fall down, the waves on, fill up with water.
Don't fall in. Just don't fall in.
Yeah, unless you can get your waves off, and that's fucking struggle.
Just don't fall in, so I will laugh. I'll help you out,
Sure can't.
but you don't fall in.
Actually, will it strip through that? Leave that on. Yeah, it should do.
That's fucking comical. I'll put him in back, Dad. Yeah, it's fine, that.
Just,
I was thinking when I'm reversing in, you don't want it hitting at bottom, do you?
No, but the weight of this will hold it down on that end. So if anybody uses this and I'm not here,
Where's the coat?
never pull the up on here.
It's in
You
boot.
listening?
What?
Never pull the drill up.
You fucking idiot.
Basically, it's dodgy as... YouTube, it's dodgy.
What are you doing?
So basically what you've just done there.
No.
Yeah.
Don't turn that. No. That is dodgy as fuck.
I know.
Is it waterproof, right?
One more phone. Yeah,
Good then. I'm going to push you
of course it's waterproof.
for the bands.
It's gold, isn't it?
When we get out there.
Oh. This side.
Oh!
Yeah, alright, so I'll leave it first off.
There.
Why don't you go round, Al?
Right, Dad, when we push it in, don't get in this side.
Okay.
All the
Well,
rods.
I go in this side, I was going this side.
Good girl. Right, so I'm going to reverse down now.
I'm going here, by the way.
I'm on bike.
I need to
You're
go.
on front.
That's not fair on Al. That is not fair on Al.
I'm on bike.
Okay.
You're going in middle.
I don't mind.
Someone's going in middle, not me, because I'm fly
I'll
fishing.
sort it, I don't
Look,
mind.
once I've done fly
I
fishing,
don't mind where we go.
feck it off. I can just drop me.
What we'll do is I'll go in middle.
That goes back in bracket thing, will you?
What I'll do is I'll go in middle until Matthew's finished fly fishing.
Yeah.
And next time I'm going on the front from the start.
No, I'm fly fishing all day.
Wait 2 seconds, we'll put it in the car.
Take a knife to it, that'll make it go down.
Where is it? Is it jolting around a lot?
It must have been, I don't know.
You must have got caught on what, something.
There's a little toggle that you pull to set it off.
Yeah, I brought my coat and all. I'll let him get stuck. I'll do. Well, I say, it was further,
I'm going to be a pond in a minute.
way further than fucking. I got on this side, you're gonna have to lift it.
Hang on, you've got to be careful because this is going to have to be lifted. Hang on, this is awkward, this.
This is awkward.
So, there we go. Lift and push if we can.
There we go.
Right, shall I just take this off of the hook for now? We don't need it, do we?
No.
Hang on.
Lift it.
No, hang on, you're alright. I can loosen that off. It's like the, I'm going to say Titanic, let's not say that.
Let's not say that, we don't want it to sink.
Trying to get the end up a bit. Why do they have boats facing this way around? Why don't they face it the other way around? It's easy to launch.
When you're getting them out.
Yeah, but it's easier to launch.
Launching's easier than getting them out, mate, let me tell you.
Go on, boy.
Why are you saying it like we haven't done it before?
Go on, boy.
I should have let you go. I should have let you go for,
Oh, fucking hell.
for the views.
We're in.
Steady. What do you mean steady? Me over you, twat.
Oh, that'd be good, wouldn't it?
Go in there. You're going to have to get it, Dad. You got it?
Doing God's work, Dad. Nice.
Have a wee.
Is this boot openable?
No, I'll have to open it with keys.
Oh.
Dad.
I don't want to go in there.
Dad. Over here, Dad. Hey, Dad, you want me to take it out next time? Huh? Hey, Dad. Oh.
I've lost all control.
I've managed to do it all fine.
He's a fucking imbecile, isn't he?
Dad, you face
What
the wrong
the
way.
fuck are you doing?
Dad, over here.
You've got half a tree in boat now.
Dad, over here.
It's a nice, that's a nice snag for someone to get.
Well done to...
Well, you're an idiot then. Are you going to come over here or stop me?
I don't know what bloody buffoon made it.
He passed me the fucking... Do you want me to go back now then?
Get away with me. Oh, we're going.
Right.
You could have passed me the rope about 20 minutes ago.
Do you want it?
Well, you put it on there because then we can at least do something about it then, but you know. We can do it now.
You want it or not?
Well, no, I've got you now, haven't I?
Anna.
I like to observe.
I'm fucking boiling.
Yeah, you didn't taking.
Well, that will go at front.
How much going to go and buy?
Right, you're
I don't care where you want to go.
It don't really matter. As long as I got back or front, it's fine.
Right, just stay there a second, Matt, whilst I sort rods out.
Make my fly rod up, because that's...
Yeah.
Will your fishing pole
Pole?
will it float if it falls in?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
Doesn't weight it real.
Will it really?
Are you getting in the what?
I'm waiting for him now.
You can do all this in the boat while we're travelling.
No, that's the thing. You don't want to be doing it in a boat because it'll fuck about. Come on then. Let's get in. Oh my shit. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're fucking it. Can we leave this on side? Can we take this off and leave it on side?
It's screwed in now.
Fuck. That's eating wet, isn't it?
Go right down far end. Well, I destroyed all fishing here because I like come fucking rocketing through there.
Rocketing like it was fucking going fast. My arse.
The issue we've got.
We've always only ever had one over.
Yeah, we've got 2 over.
Oh, I made one.
Either way, I've got to cast this way.
Why don't we go in the middle of the lake and then after you've got your cast and then you've got choice then at least.
We're going to go here.
That's what I just said.
Could go here if you want.
No, we'll go like here somewhere. Yeah.
I'm just thinking of asking you. Seriously, mate. Just doing something. What makes sense for the end is, by the way, we just
Oh, this doesn't sink, does it? Twat, put this on.
Yeah, that's why.
What, twat, put a rod in way here?
You? You're Rob.
Oh, well, that's just me. I'm all confused. You got your anchor ready, Matt?
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah?
Over there. I'm trying to keep space now, Dad. Ready? Moving. Ready when you are, Dad. I'm just trying to keep it moving.
I'm in.
Oh shit, that's tied around my fucking rod. Shit. Oh.
Hold that. For fuck's sake, stop pulling it.
The anchor was tied around my rod.
There you go.
What twat did that?
You! Again.
Some twat did that.
You! Again.
Go and do that for me.
Some fucking idiot. I tell you. Right, I need this rod fucking off. He's going that way. Right. Here we fucking go, lads.
We're going to be able to cast while he's fucking casting.
Look, I'm not going to be casting all the time, so...
A good majority of it.
You're going with it? Oh my god.
Look, first cast. Fucking allow it, alright?
It wasn't the first cast, we were casting all the way out here.
Oh no, I've got a knot in my fucking... Motherfucker. Where's net?
On the front, Dad's got it.
Thank fuck for that.
Dad can get right, I can see it. Right, we've done this again. Why have we started casting and we've not got nothing ready?
Yeah, where's the scourges and everything?
There's a set in my bag.
Right,
And
you
you've
get
got
them
the
out.
set, Matt.
I'll get them out in a second. I'll just get them out. Oh, I think Dad's still not getting them out.
All bags at your end.
You're nifty, really. Oh, going.
on. He's on. Well done.
Yeah, I might do. I am recording.
I saw it take that.
It's not a bad sign.
Run a bit, man. Not a bad fish, that. That's not a bad fish, that. It's about 4 or 5 pound, man.
It's not bad.
Stuck in a nice big corner now.
Yeah! That nice little fucking pike, brother, on little fly. We'll take it. We'll run for hills. I don't like how that's tied up round his gob. Let's take that. Let's take that out of there. Perfect. That is a beauty for the fly. He's nice. He's nice. Took that well. He swims off lovely. Hey, we did it, boys! Took that well and all. Fucking hell.
Sorry, take it.
Yeah.
I just looked, I turned round just as you were fishing around and they just went whack.
Oh, pike slam's ruined me lure, I'll tell you that.
Where's your lures, man? Where's the box?
Oh no, Dad. There we go. There we go. That's better. Let's get him cleaned off. That was fun. Oh, that was real fun. This rod's big enough. Well, it's big enough for about a 4-pounder. I thought you had something as well, didn't I?
Don't sit down, that one.
God, it is cold, isn't it? You got to twitch that one, Al. It's a bastard for catching thingy though.
Will
Yeah.
my rod take this perch, man?
Big one?
That one.
No. And I don't want you fishing it anyway, no offence.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I do.
It's going on.
Dad, don't, please.
Was that your new
Oh, he's got the old cock out.
You're going to try that new one?
£4, it'll funny. Let's see if it works.
Did it go well?
It's got a spinner and a roller.
What's the worst that can happen, mate?
That's going to be the one, Al. The old cock. These pike love old cock.
Well, we'll find out in a minute.
I'm not going to hook this. Because that's going to be my next choice. It's going in the wood there.
That's more cock. £4.
Very big billy, £1 fish.
Well, that was shit, Matt. Well done.
You know what, that was quite nice actually.
The old cock looks quite nice.
Oh, look, the old cock looks nice.
Have a look at the old cock. Oh, God, it does as well. That looks fruity, that does.
That'll go on.
The old cock, and it might be a bit light, but we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, it's going out this probably.
Well, it's not bad.
Can I go up, Al? Al, can I go up?
Where have you cast, Matt?
I'm in. There's something chasing me lure. There was. In, out. On a windy day, these big rods are fucking shit out. They get it out there, don't they?
They're reservoir rods, aren't
Technically, are on a res.
Mini
Mini res.
they? You see, you criticise my rods when I fucking bought them. That dude did me a favour. I only paid 60 quid. I got all them fucking rods.
Was that one dodgy one that were on the set?
No.
I reckon. Pink. Pink.
Middle.
Pink. Orange. Name a colour, guys. Name a colour.
Orange.
Probably orange, isn't it?
Yeah, orange every time, man.
Look at that for Jazzle, eh?
Jazzle me for jazzle. With that one out, you need to be
Fucking getting sent off.
there
You know, I tried it over there.
or here.
I can't.
You go there then.
No, so I find it that way now.
Bien, Marty.
I just find it that way.
I mean, to be fair, Dad, he has caught barely any fish.
And I am stood in the middle at both times.
I've got 4.
There's one behind you.
I'm giving you leeway here, bro, because I'm fishing with a fly.
You're on a medal?
Yeah.
He just thinks he's a fucking some kind of fishing man.
I'm J.R. Hartley, mate. I'm fucking J.R. Hartley. I'm, mate.
Yeah, the right one is.
Oh.
Doesn't water that.
What are you doing? Fishing or what?
We don't. No, more out now. I've destroyed that area coming through the boat. I know. It's,
We're off. We're off, boys. We're off. See what that looks like when it's wet. Can't see a fucking thing here. Give me sunglasses on. That looks sick in the water. Look at that, Dad.
yeah, look good.
Oh, no fucking need, is
I've
there?
stood in where we're supposed to stand in if you're way locked in.
It's funny that, because I was literally just fucking about with my fucking phone. I am. Yeah, I am.
Yeah, he's just gone deep, hasn't he? Want tanned? Have we got to get out?
Might want to net it. You know this out to it.
Just hang on.
Matt, the thing is, Dad, in the middle you have to net.
You fool.
And we're carry on fishing.
Wait. Is that what you call it? Where's disgorges?
I don't know. They're in there.
There behind you.
Thank you. Right. Bring it to me, brother.
Oh, what a fucking can. Oh, nicely hooked in fucking mouth plate.
Yeah, nice. That's sick.
Dad, can you get the line out, mate? Don't just
Get
watch
what?
it. Come on, get this. And
Bring
Get-
it to. I can't reach that far. I'm not netting it. I'm having it.
Matt, Dad, you don't want to use it.
That's all I needed. Thank you.
netted. Right, lift him up still. It's fine. He's gonna turn. He's gonna turn. Don't you fucking dare! Oh God, that's sharp.
Hello.
No, because I don't want to get a hook in my hand, Dad. Just carrying him way up from that.
It's got you got. It's got round in leader.
Let's fuck around it.
Try and help you, man. Yeah, do you know when you asked him if we're getting some line, it was holding it on the net. Nothing else.
I'm gonna have to get this go out. Sorry.
Yeah, the net was pulled down, not the line. But it's got in the actual.
How the fuck's he done that?
That's why I hate fucking netting him.
Get this in. So.
Al, you have to faff with that, don't I? don't know what
Fine.
fucking have to do with that.
Fine.
So you're probably going to have to come up. I
Right.
suggest you take that off and then sort that down. Show it.
Oh God, Matt, come on, catch it. That's better.
Where were you catching? That was my head.
Dad, don't cast over my line.
I'm going to cast off your line.
Where are you casting?
So where I'm casting.
Yeah, you're catching over there, so why the fuck wouldn't we?
Exactly. Fucking damn right.
Right, so now I'm stood back up. You can stop catching. I think it's caught on the leader.
Well, what, did we solve your mystery, Dad?
Why did yours get come off?
No idea.
Is it properly attached now? No.
Yeah, it just twisted. I just had 2 bumps there. There's more fish there, Matt. Al.
What about this fucking weed there?
Same place. Right, I remember that.
Oh, yes! That took like a motherfucker.
Matt, Dad, who's on 9? Shut up your face. Yeah, it's what you get in the middle.
Right, we're swapping.
No, we're not.
You want me to net it and you can play with yourself?
Oh, God, no. Give me a stick. Stop it, stop it.
That's weird,
I'm in as
kid.
well.
Oh, fuck that. I told you there were fish there. I'm netting it, Matt.
Net it, because the hooks, it's only a single hook on mine. So you can net it and I'll fucking sort it out afterwards.
You got it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, it's fine. Sounds like a big fish, Al.
If that big fish don't play, that is a big fish. Look, that's a good fish, that.
Oh, it's alright.
Big enough.
Stop being a freak. Open your mouth.
Dad, stop playing with the fish.
That's a decent fish. This is about the biggest today, this, man. Out. Just gorge you quick.
I can't. I'm busy with my own.
Where's the other one?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Don't swim into my line, you fucking imbecile. That's a nice fish. That is one nice fish. Ow. You alright? We found them, lads. We know where they were now.
Hold it there, don't move.
It's quite comical, actually, this fish. Alright then. I'll put the big perch on. It is a laugh, that big perch, to be fair.
Cool, biggest one on it.
I did, actually. Big lures mean big fish, lads. Let me teach you something now. Where is it? Fucking thing. I've got it. I've got it. Don't worry, I'd never let Dad fucking use you, mate. You'd get fucking lost. Space. Yeah. Because he'd do something dumb with it. Right, here we fucking go. Let's have a go with this gun.
How good if I shed a bit of blood?
I mean, you avoid it, Dad. I mean... Oh, shit, Al.
And at your
What are you
age,
doing, you two?
I didn't realise you were there. Sorry, mate.
Head down, Matt.
at your age, Dad, you can't really afford to lose any.
He speaks the truth.
Especially when you've got like skin like tissue paper now. What are you doing? Just do a big cast, you don't know. Just do a big cast. No, obviously not.
There's got to be a 20-pounder in here at least.
I don't know, they keep going up some sort of weight. I mean, what?
I mean, there is such thing. Yeah, no. Biggest one we've had out here is 10.
10?
Last year we had a 12 outer here.
No, that one that you caught from that bank all there were fucking big.
It was a 12-pounder. We measured it.
10 now. I'd have said 15.
We weighed it. It were 12.
We're at 12?
It were
Is that
12.
the one time we've had
The thing is with pike, if they're not fat, they don't weigh fuck all. They don't weigh fuck all. If they can be over a metre, but they'll weigh less than 10 pound.
Lean, mean pike.
Yeah.
I think you fish that bay out now, lads.
I think it is done. We can move if you want. I mean, we've got all the fish on lowers, I think. All the fish is literally... Will you do something, Dad?
It takes about 10 years to cast, doesn't he?
The best of the job is when he casts, he doesn't cast to where he's actually meaning to cast. He just
Fucking
gets...
do.
Alright then.
Who? Look at that.
Oh no!
Oh, man! Was that your 25er? You cock! If you're over there and get the fucking landing net, you might fucking see that.
Right, it landed whereabouts, you think?
There.
What a
Yeah.
fucking spunker.
Yeah, let's try it.
Fucking
It's not
hell.
like it's a £10 thing, it was like 25.
That's not annoying at all, is it?
Let's try it, come
That's what I
on.
mean, mate. I'll be jumping in again, mate.
Let's try it.
Not for
come on.
25 quid, I'm not.
Let's try, come on.
I'll give it a go.
That's 2 hours of work, man. Fuck that.
What a fucking dickhead.
Fuck's sake. It was always going to happen, wasn't it, lad?
On boat?
Yeah, I caught it on boat like a div.
Right, get the anchor up or something. You have to move the fly rod though, man.
Oh dear.
What are you doing, Dad?
Warming my hand up, mate. It's literally gone numb. What blood run out on you?
I won't be fucking surprised. You fucking deserve it. You fucking pillock.
I think we stopped it wrong.
I didn't expect that. I stopped to look at my watch and then I put it back on. I'm on.
Besides, fit tail, it's not bad fish either.
I think we're wrong spot.
I think we are. Well, Matt Alex in.
No, they're not. Holding him down and all. I'll sort him out, Dad. I caught that decent one round here.
I'm not. I'm just letting it run.
Go on, Al. I hope it's fucking big, you. Let's have a look at this bad boy then, Al. I hope it's something big. I'll be fucking lovely, that, won't it? You want net? What's it looking like?
So I might just fucking go over him. I ain't seen him yet. I saw the tail earlier and he's got a pretty broad tail. He's not massive, but it's big enough. Nice tail on him.
No, that's a big fish.
No, that's a good fish. Can you go other side of him?
That, my friend, is a fucking bad boy. That's a good fish, Al. That's your PB. Every day of the
I
week.
think that's our feeding for this fucking bloke.
Fucking hell, Al. Can you move the rods, Dad? Got a video. Right, let's get this
Get
out.
that up. Are you having hold of this out for a picture?
If you can, but if you can't,
That is a fucking monster.
Go.
You got it?
Yeah.
You haven't got that properly. Get this fucker out.
Have you got it? Yeah.
I've got it on record. I've got it on record. I've got it on record. It's fine. I've got it. I've got it. Come out way. I've got it. Hold her.
Do you want to weigh her or not?
scales are there.
Hand on behind her. Behind her. Don't hold it like a shotgun. There you go.
What, putting her in here?
That is beautiful. Well done, Al.
Just don't want that.
Put her in there.
I did zero this off.
Right here. It's alright. It's alright. Unit pounds. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh fucking hell! One sec. Right.
You've got it on right now.
Right. What are you saying?
We don't care. 14.
1188.
Still good.
That's your PB for sure.
What do you want to rest her in there?
Restering, that would be
Go on
best.
this side.
Come on, darling. Come on, darling. Oh. Oh, don't do that, please.
I'm trying to get Dad to come back.
I'll give this side shot.
Come on, darling.
Just take it up her nose now.
Trying to.
Alright, she'll swim out if she wants to. She's fine. There you go.
She's going. She's swimming. She's swimming. Nice.
Well done.
Nice one, Al.
Big one.
Fucking Mark. Fucking
Well done,
beautiful.
mate. Well done. Shit me.
I wasn't expecting that.
Congratulations, sir.